This question belonged to operating system subject and the topic name is process synchronization. It was asked in GATE CSE 1987. So the question states a critical region is one which is enclosed by a pair of P and V operations, or here they could have written a pair of down and up operations on semaphores, a program segment that has not been proved bug-free, a program segment that often causes unexpected system crashes, a program segment where shared resources are accessed. So let me explain you this with the help of an example of two programs. Let us suppose we have a program P1 and a program P2. What P1 does? P1 does some tasks and then it does read on a variable A, and then it increments the variable A, and then it writes the variable a. In this shared memory, we have a variable a which is stored in the RAM and has a value assumed it to be 10, and then it does some other things on some variable b, maybe read, decrement, and then write. Then we have P2. What P2 does is that P2 does something, maybe some independent code independent to A, then it again reads A, it decrements A, and then it writes A, and maybe it will do some other task on some other variable g. So now what is a critical section? Here we can see that this part of the code accesses the variable a, and this part of the code of program P2 also accesses the variable a. Here it may be possible that we are running P1 and P2 simultaneously. Let us see what will happen if we will run P1 followed by P2, P1 followed by P2. So P1 will read A to be 10, it will increment A, make it 11, and then write A to be 11 over here. What then if P2 will run after P1, then P2 will read A to be 11, decrement it, make it 10, and then write A 10 over here. So the final result will be 10. Now let us assume concurrent execution, which means P1 and P2 are running simultaneously. So what happens? Let us P1 parallel to P2. The output of this was 10. So let us assume P1 reads 10. Now it got terminated. Now P2 comes, it also reads 10. Now P1 comes again, it increments 10 to 11 and then writes A 11 over here. Then P2 decrements 10 and make it 9. It decrements 10 only, not 11, because 10 was already read and it's present in its own local memory. Now it writes A, which is 9 over here. The output over here is 9, which is wrong, as the actual output should be 10. So this is called inconsistency problem. And what is a critical section? Critical section is the section of the code which is accessing these shared resources. So here shared resources A. So this is portion is called critical section, and this portion is called critical section. So critical section is a part of code which is accessing the shared resources. So how can we make sure that this inconsistency do not occur? There are various solutions to this. Like first one is turn variable solution, another one is lock variable solution. There are certain hardware solutions based on interrupts. There is a Peterson solution, and there is a most famous solution called a semaphore solution. In semaphore solution, we are using P and V operations. Like we will, before coming to the code, we will make sure we do P operation, and after exiting we will do the V operation before entering and exit after exiting the critical section. Now let's see the options. So option A states a critical region is one which is enclosed by a pair of P and V operations on semaphore. We can see semaphore is just a possible solution. There are other solutions too. And if semaphore is implemented, then yes, critical section will have P and V operations. But it is not basically the definition of critical section. Because P and V operation is just a part of a solution. It's just a subset of a large possible solutions. It's not necessary that if P and V are there, then critical section will always be there. It's only a part. It's not the correct definition of critical section. Option B, a program segment that has not been proved bug-free. No, it is not related anyway to the definition. A program segment that often causes unexpected system crashes. No, there are no system crashes due to critical section. There is just inconsistency in the data. A program segment where shared resources are accessed. Yeah, It's the correct definition. As here A is accessed, A is a shared resource. So this program segment where A is accessed is called critical section for both the programs. So option D is correct.